Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a side-by-side comparison between the legendary KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer and a much more affordable alternative, the Hamilton Beach electric stand mixer. Is a KitchenAid worth the splurge, or can you save some serious cash without missing out? Both of these mixtures claim to handle dough better and more with ease. One cost nearly $400. The other just about $150. So, does the Artisan really do 3x better? Let's break it down. Build and design. Let's start with design. The KitchenAid Artisan is built like a tank, all metal construction, stunning finish, and a premium feel. It comes in over 20 gorgeous colors. The Hamilton Beach adds more plastic but still sturdy and functional KitchenAid metal body tilt head iconic design. Hamilton Beach plastic housing tilt head basic look. Power and performance. KitchenAid delivers 325 watts of mixing power, perfect for heavy dough and thick batter. The Hamilton Beach offers 300 watts, surprisingly close for everyday mixing. Both perform well, but if you are mixing bread dough frequently, the KitchenAid's motor handles it with more ease and less strain. Speed, setting, and control. Both mixers come with 6 to 10 speed option. The KitchenAid has 10 speeds with smooth control, while the Hamilton Beach offers 7 speeds. Both include a planetary mixing action, giving through mixing every time. Pro tip. Hamilton Beach even has a helpful mixing guide on the speed dial, which is great for beginners. Attachments and versatility. KitchenAid is famous for its powerhouse. It supports more than 10 optional attachments: pasta maker, food grinder, spreadlizer. It's like a mini kitchen factory. Hamilton Beach does not have an attachments hub, but it comes with the basic dough hook, whisk, and beater. Enough for every task, but less expandable bowl size and capacity. Both mixers have similar bowl capacities. KitchenAid offers 5 watts, Hamilton Beach 4 or 4.5 watt depending on the model. KitchenAid's bowl is stainless steel with a handle. Hamilton Beach bowl is also stainless steel but without the ergonomic handle. Price and value. KitchenAid Artisan typically costs $379 to $449, while the Hamilton Beach model is around $130 to $150. If you are a casual baker or just starting out, Hamilton Beach offers fantastic value for money, but for serious bakers or those wanting a lifetime appliance, the KitchenAid pays off. So if you want premium quality expansion options and iconic style, go with the KitchenAid. If you want a solid performer for everyday mixing at less than half the price, the Hamilton Beach is a smart. Please use the link given in description if you want to buy any of these products.